Ladies and gentlemen, this is Steve Freeman reporting for GNN News. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, would like to announce that they have spotted an extinction-level size asteroid headed for planet Earth. If this asteroid strikes, it will have a devastating effect on the Earth. We have a live feed. A large asteroid large enough to shut off the sunlight for the next 7 years has impacted somewhere in Africa. If you are viewing this video, you are one of the few humans left alive on planet Earth. You have made it to one of the UN-constructed survival shelters we call the Cave. The survival and repopulation of planet Earth is in your hands. Within the Cave, you have all you need to survive. There's adequate power for 100 years. A water purification plant that will provide clean water for up to 1,000 people. There is also stored food for 6 months. You have several tasks. It will take all of you working together for mankind to survive. First, a governmental structure must be established and a leader must arise. Then rules must be established. Everyone in the cave must agree to these rules. A structure to get what must be done. Rules need to be written not only to maintain order, but also to provide the structure to repopulate the Earth and take mankind into the future. You have access to the most powerful computer known to man. Stored within its memory banks are all the knowledge you need to survive. Its name is Tremendously Educated, Automated, Calculating, Humanoid Evaluating Robot. We call it Teacher for short. Teacher can answer questions and evaluate decisions, but cannot make suggestions. Periodically, teacher will evaluate your chances of survival. The tasks you must complete are as follows. You must decide on a governmental structure. Establish rules. Those should include relationship rules. You must repopulate the Earth. Assign jobs. Hydroponic gardens must be built and maintained. These will recycle the waste that is generated and provide food. The equipment must be inventoried and maintained. Resources must be allocated. Individuals must be selected who will train as medics and later doctors. They must be able to deliver the babies, which will soon follow. You must repopulate the Earth. Housekeepers, janitors who will oversee the day-to-day operations of the cave. Individuals who will be teachers who will maintain the knowledge needed to rebuild the world. Workers who will extend the cave and provide more room for the growing population. The cave has a breeding stock of most of the more important animals. They will need to be bred to supplement food stocks and be ready when we can emerge from the cave. They will have to be tended for and cared for. Other individuals, cooks, etc., individuals who will plan for our brave new world must be found and appointed. This is a matter of life or death. Teacher must estimate your chances of survival at above 80%, or all of you will fail the test of survival. In some cases, losses must be sustained for the survival of the whole. Time is of the essence. You only have prepared supplies for 6 months, and you must live for 7 years. The cave needs maintained on a daily basis. If you don't hurry, the last best hope for the survival of humanity will fail. Teacher evaluates your chances of survival at this point in time at 25%.